Hello and welcome to the class. Today we'll continue with the fifth unit, the grammar part. We have common errors. In this session, we will revise all the topics that we have done in the previous units, that is unit 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here in the fifth unit, we don't have any new grammar topic, but we have a revision of all the exercises, all the topics that we have covered through the entire book, from the first to the fourth unit. In the first unit, we had prepositions and articles. So here, task 3 is based on that. So identify the errors in the use of articles and prepositions in these sentences and correct them. If there is no error, write no error. So here in the first sentence, media was caught spreading lies about the country's top leader. What is the error there? You have to the errors might be most with articles or prepositions that you have to identify. So here, what is the error? You have to supply the article there. The media was caught spreading lies about the country's top leader. So you have to insert or add the before media. The next one, the board agreed with the CEO's opinion on expanding the market. So the board agreed with the CEO's opinion on expanding the market. So what is the mistake there? So the board agreed not with, but agreed to the CEO's opinion. So the mistake or the error there is with the preposition. You have to add to. The board agreed to and not agreed with. So change that to the board agreed to the CEO's opinion on expanding the market. Next, the students are worried on the classes because the textbooks are not yet available in the market. So how do you change it? The students are worried about the classes, not on the classes. It is about. Again, it is a mistake with the prepositions. The wrong preposition is used there. We have to change it to the students are worried about the classes because the textbooks are not yet available in the market. Next one, freedom of speech is one of the fundamental rights guaranteed by our Constitution. So what is the mistake there? Freedom of speech is one of the fundamental rights guaranteed by our Constitution. Here in the fourth sentence, is there any mistakes? Freedom of speech is one of the fundamental rights guaranteed in our Constitution or by our Constitution. Both are correct there. No, there are no error in this sentence. The next one, the school insists in our wearing uniform all 6 days of the week. So insist on. So again, there is a mistake with the error with the preposition. The school insists on wearing our uniform. The school insists on wearing the uniform all 6 days of the week. Next one, candidates' answer sheets were reevaluated and she became the topper. So is there any mistake? The definite article the is omitted in that sentence. The candidate's answer. We are speaking about a particular candidate there. So the candidate's answer sheets were reevaluated and she became the topper. Next one, a unique feature of our country is unity in diversity. Is there any mistake? Actually, there is no mistake in that sentence. Now, next one is the cricketer was found guilty. The cricketer was found guilty of tampering on the ball. So here, what is the mistake? The cricketer was found guilty of tampering with the ball. The preposition. It's not on, but it is with the ball. Next, the farmers are protesting on the thermal power plant. The farmers are protesting against the thermal power plant. Okay, next one. The actor apologized about his recent insensitive comments on social media. So the actor apologized for his recent insensitive comments on the social media. So there are two mistakes. The actor apologized for his recent insensitive comments on the social media. So we'll go to the next one, the continuation of this task. Next one is, the honesty is the best policy. So do we need, it is a proverb and we do not need the article there. What is the sentence? The honesty is the best policy. So you just have to write honesty is the best policy. Next one. At the peak of his career, Dave resigned at his job and went back to his village. This is a common mistake that we find, like resigned at his job. It is wrong. So what is the sentence? At the peak of his career, Dave resigned his job. It is not needed at. The preposition is not needed at all. So what is the answer? Dave resigned his job and went back to his village. Next one. The instructor told us to refer on our notes while doing assignments. So again, there is a wrong preposition used. So what is it? The instructor told us to refer to our notes, not on. It is to refer to our notes while doing assignments. Next, 14. One needs to have a MBBS from a recognized university to become a doctor. So what is it? One needs to have an MBBS from a recognized university to become a doctor. So why is it not? Now you might be wondering why it is MBBS, but you are using an MBBS. So what is wrong there? So look at the sound. Now always we use the articles a or an related to the sounds which are produced while pronouncing the word. So here MBBS, the sound, it is a vowel sound and not a consonant sound. So we are using, because it's a vowel sound, we are using an MBBS from a recognized university to become a doctor. Next one. My mother is yet to recover with viral fever even after 2 weeks. My mother is yet to recover from viral fever even after 2 weeks. Next one. The Dravidian languages are spoken mainly in the southern states of India. Is there any mistake? No, there are no mistakes in that sentence. That is perfectly correct. The Dravidian languages are spoken mainly in the southern states of India. Next one. The Manoj has sent an invitation for his wedding. So what is it? You need preposition before the name. No, we don't. It is wrong. Manoj has sent an invitation for his wedding. See, Manoj has sent the invitation. Manoj has sent the invitation for his wedding. Okay, so there is no, it is not the Manoj, but Manoj. Manoj has sent the invitation for his, not an invitation. So you have to be specific there, the invitation for his wedding. Next one. Every student must carry the identity card always. It is every student, so the is not necessary there, no, not needed there. Every student must carry the identity card always. Next one. The doctor informed the patient's relatives on the course of treatment. The doctor informed the patient's relatives about the course of treatment. Next one. France is an European country. See, France, so what is wrong there? France is a European country. Same way as we said about a MBBS, it is not a MBBS, it is an MBBS. Same way France, in before Europe, it is not an but a, because the sound produced there, even though the word starts with the vowel E, the sound produced is your sound. So it is a consonant sound, and hence it is France is a European country. So these are the common errors that we make while doing with the prepositions and articles. We'll continue in the next video. Thank you.